Viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens are transferred through a process known as the chain of infection. The chain of infection consists of the reservoir or host, portal of exit, mode of transmission, portal of entry, and susceptible host. Step 1. Reservoirs. Reservoirs are areas where diseases grow and reproduce. Examples of reservoirs include people, animals, and environments. Step 2. The portal of exit. In this stage, the pathogen leaves the reservoir or host. The means of how it leaves is referred to as the portal of exit. Step 3. Mode of transmission. Modes of transmission are ways that pathogens go from reservoirs to susceptible hosts. This can happen one of two ways, through direct or indirect transmission. Direct transmission happens through touching or droplet spread. Indirect transmission happens through airborne transmission when diseases linger and spread in the air, vehicles, non-living objects that carry and spread disease, and vectors, living organisms that carry and spread disease. Step 4. Portal of entry. The point where a disease enters an organism in an area where it can best grow. Step 5. The susceptible host. A susceptible host is a living organism that has the capability of getting infected by a disease and creating a habitat where the disease can multiply. Factors that influence the likelihood of a host getting infected with a disease include genetic factors, specific factors, and non-specific factors. Genetic factors, inherited from your biological family, determine whether a person will be susceptible to a pathogen. Specific factors are protective agents in the body that target particular diseases. These antibodies can be built after exposure to a disease or introduced through interventions like vaccines. Non-specific factors are barriers in fluids that protect against disease such as skin, mucus, and stomach acids. To summarize, the pathogen starts at a host or reservoir, leaves through a portal of exit, travels through a mode of transmission, goes through a portal of entry, and grows in a new susceptible host. We can help break the chain of infection by doing things such as washing our hands, covering our mouth when we cough or sneeze, disinfecting areas, staying home when we are sick, keeping updated on vaccines, and wearing protective equipment like masks.